Hi students, now I am going to tell you triple angle formulas. Really, these are very useful doing problems in trigonometry. Those are sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Next another one, cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So here I will tell you one trick how to remember these two formulas. See here, sine 3a. Yesterday I told you sine function is friendly function, so it can send outside. So here sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. So sine 3a, 3 we have to take outside of this sign. So sine 3a will become 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Coming to the cos 3a, we have to interchange those formula, that formula. Now I am doing here 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Coming to the cos 3a, we are interchanging. So 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a will become, coming to the cos 3a here, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Now I will tell you how to prove sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Sine 3a we can write as sine 2a plus a. It is in the form of sine a plus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. By using this formula we can prove sine 2a means sine 2a plus a, sine 2a into cos a plus cos a into cos 2a into sine a. Now once again this one we have to write sine 2a as 2 sine a cos a plus cos 2a. Here we are going to find sine 3a. So cos 2a we can write as 1 minus 2 sine square a. Cos 2a has three formulas. Those are cos square a minus sine square a, 1 minus 2 sine square a, 2 cos square a minus 1. But here we have to derive entire function in terms of sine. So that only cos 2a we have to write 1 minus 2 sine square a into sine a. Now into cos a. Here cos a is there. We have to write that cos a also. Now 2 sine a. Cos a into cos a, cos square a plus 1 minus 2 sine square a into sine a. Now we have to multiply. 1 into sine a minus 2 sine square a into sine a, 2 sine cube a. Next 2 sine a, cos square a we can write as 1 minus sine square a, because we know the identity sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. By using that identity we can write cos square a as 1 minus sine square a plus sine a minus 2 sine cube a. Now multiply 2 sine a into 1, 2 sine a, because if you multiply anything with 1 we will get same thing. Plus into minus 2 sine a into sine square a. So 2 sine cube a plus sine a minus 2 sine cube a. So here 2 sine a plus sine a, 2x plus x, 3x. Like that only 2 sine a plus sine a will become 3 sine a minus 2 sine cube a minus 2 sine cube a, minus 2x minus 4x. Like that only minus 4 sine cube a. So sine 3a is equal to We got 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Next, coming to the cos 3A. Cos 3A is equal to, we can write as cos 2A plus A. If you want to do cos 3A is equal to cos 2A plus A, here we have to remember one thing, that is cos A plus B. Cos A plus B is nothing but cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So here we can write this one as cos 2A into cos A minus sin 2A into sin A. This is cos 3A. So cos 3A formula is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Entire function should be in cos only. We should not get sin functions. So that only here cos 2A we can write as 2 cos square A minus 1 into cos A. We know that cos 2A has 3 formulas. Those are cos square A minus sin square A, 2 cos square A minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square A. Here cos 2A we have to use 2 cos square A minus 1 into cos A minus sin 2A we can write as 2 sin A cos A, this is for this one, into sin A. So here 2 cos square A minus 1 into cos A, if you multiply with this one, it will become 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 sin A into sin A. It will become 2 sin square A into cos A. Entire function should be in terms of cos function. So we have to write sin square A in terms of cos square. We have to remember identity. That is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So sin square A we can write as 1 minus cos square A. So 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 into, or 2 cos A into sin square A we can write 1 minus cos square A. So 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 cos A into 1 minus 2 cos A minus 2 cos A into minus cos square A. So we will get plus 2 cos A into cos square A, 2 cos cube A. So 2 cos cube A plus 2 cos cube A. It will become 4 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 cos A minus 3 cos A. So this is the proof of cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A.